Nvidia 225, which I'm not going to complain about Nvidia. We are in a situation. Oh, Cisco's over 100. Tommy Dimes, look at that. Cisco is over 100. Reality of the situation is it feels as if nothing can take this market down. And I don't know that that's a good thing. The market should not feel like this. And me buying Micron yesterday at 709 and it being at 791 today is not realistic. It's just not. And I don't want to be a Debbie Downer because I'm a perma bull, okay? But I'm a perma bull for very specific reasons. And I want to make sure that we frame this correctly because this feels, and I know it's a much different situation than 2021 and 2022, but this is feeling like it is getting a little exhausted given the fact that we now have PPI where it is and CPI where it is, and the CME group is pricing in rate hikes. Let's see if they updated it since this morning. So going out to December, we now have a 32% chance we get one hike, a 5.3% chance we get two hikes. We go to June 2027, there is more of a chance of a rate hike than a rate cut at this point. There is only a 0.6 chance we get a cut a year from now. The macro is changing dramatically. Now, I could sit here and I could make the case that we're going to get a deal overseas. Oil's going to come down. Yeah, you guys have all heard it before. You guys have all heard it. I think that right now we have to say at some point this market can go down 10%. There's no question that that could happen. And I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know if that is going to happen. But this does not feel as if the market should have been even keel yesterday and up today. My opinion. I think there are companies that deserve to be higher. I think that there are companies that deserve to be lower. And I am really shocked at how resilient the market is being right now. Micron at 792. Sure, it's still low on a forward earnings basis. I mean, Nebius has gone, I mean, look at this. And I'm a Nebius shareholder, but keep in mind, I call balls and strikes. I'm not here to sugarcoat anything. Nebius is up 147% year to date. It is up 486% year over year. At some point, we have to expect the market to take a breather. Even though Micron has been increasing their guidance and the street is taking up their earnings, the fact is it's still up 719% year over year. I don't know what to tell you. Okay. I don't know what to tell you. There is certainly a lot of buying. There is certainly a lot of excitement. And I do believe S&P 8,000 will happen. That does not mean it's going to go up in a straight line. This is starting to feel euphoric, and I do not want it to feel like euphoria as the market goes up. If we did not get a hot CPI print and a hot PPI print, my tone would be a little different. The fact that we got hot prints on both and crude is over. I'm reading one of the comments. You guys are hilarious. Absolutely hilarious. I get it. the old Buffett saying, be fearful when people are greedy, be greedy when people are fearful. I get that. Okay. This isn't one of those times. This is a time where earnings are driving the narrative. Earnings are really good. People, including myself, are expecting Nvidia to blow the doors off next week. The street's expecting around 78, 79% year over year growth. I'm expecting probably 81% in Q1. Do I like Nvidia? Yeah, I do. But this is starting to feel really euphoric. And that's a dangerous place to be. I think it's very dangerous to be in an absolute place of euphoria. I'm ready for a downturn. Still think we're going to get S&P 8,000. But this is, if Nvidia misses, now I can't tell you what is going to be the catalyst. I have no idea. I don't have a crystal ball. Anybody who tells you that they know what the catalyst is going to be or they know what, they're full of shit. Nobody knows. Okay. Nobody knows.